If you've been considering porcelain veneers to get that perfect dream smile, there are some crucial things you need to know before taking the plunge. So let's break down the 5 most important things you should be aware of before getting porcelain veneers. Number 1 is that it's a non-reversible treatment. Now, porcelain veneers are usually not reversible. Once you get them, there's no turning back. Traditional veneers involve the removing of a very thin layer of your natural tooth enamel to make room for the veneers. This means that you'll always need veneers or crowns in place of your natural teeth. They are non-prep veneers available that don't require any enamel removal. However, not everyone's a candidate for them. So make sure you discuss all your options with your cosmetic dentist. Number 2, let's talk longevity. While porcelain veneers are durable and can last between 10 to 15 years or even more, they don't last forever. Now, over time, they might need to be replaced due to wear and tear, changes in your bite, or simply because of aging. It's important to be prepared for future adjustments or replacements as part of your long-term dental care. Now, number 3 is my least favorite one, and that's dietary adjustments. You'll need to make some changes to your diet. Veneers are strong, but they are not indestructible. You might need to avoid certain foods that could damage them, such as hard candy, chips, nuts, and sticky fatty. Now, it's a good idea to be mindful of what you can eat to keep your veneers in top shape and avoid any unnecessary damage. Number 4 is that you'll be wearing temporaries. Now, the temporary phase is after you get the veneer prep. You'll likely have to wear them for about 2 to 3 weeks. These temporaries are designed to protect your teeth while your permanent veneers are being crafted. They might not look exactly like the real veneers and they don't feel the same way, but they are essential for the process. Now, my recommendation is that you don't plan any trips or special events around this time because they are made of a plastic-like material and they can break easily. Number 5 is your long-term care, okay? You'll need to sleep with a night guard for the rest of your life. Yes, you have to protect those pearly whites. So what a night guard will do, it's going to prevent grinding and clenching that could potentially damage your veneers. It's just an extra step, but it's worth it to ensure that your investment in that beautiful white smile lasts as long as possible. So there you have it. Is the 5 important things that you should know before getting porcelain veneers. If you're considering this treatment or know someone that's considering it, make sure that you've got all the information and you consulted with your dentist to make sure that you make the best decision for your smile. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights on dental care and beyond. Thank you.